Hey everyone, ever heard the phrase, everything happens for a reason? If you're into self-help, I bet you have. But is it just toxic positivity wrapped in a pretty bow? Or is there some true wisdom behind it? Let's dive in. On one hand, saying everything happens for a reason can be comforting. It can help us find meaning in tough situations, to see the silver lining and push through. It's a mindset that encourages hope and resilience. But here's the flip side. This phrase can also invalidate genuine pain and struggles. Imagine telling someone who just lost their job or went through a breakup or faced a serious illness that it's all happening for a reason. Yikes. It can come off as dismissive, even patronizing. So where's the balance? Instead of leaning on this one-size-fits-all phrase, how about we acknowledge the pain first? Let's say, I'm really sorry you're going through this. It must be really tough. Then, when the time is right, we can introduce a more nuanced view. We can say, while this situation is incredibly difficult, maybe there's something we can learn from it. By doing this, we're not disregarding the pain, we're recognizing it, and gently guiding towards a more positive perspective. So, is everything happens for a reason toxic positivity or true wisdom? It really depends on how and when we use it. Let's be mindful, compassionate, and use our words wisely. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more self-help insights. Stay positive, but also stay real. Catch you in the next one.